Suppose if you are in Microsoft Publisher and if you want to suppose if you are in homepage of this Microsoft Publisher and if you want to open the recent publications, then there is a method using keyboard shortcut. For doing this you must simply click this Alt key and F key, and after that you can so if you press this Alt key and F key, then it will take you to a page like this, and here you can see, suppose if you want to, if you click this R also, then you can see that all your recent publication list have been arrived here. Of this video, if you are more, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.